Today we are flying to Newark from Malaga, Spain, and our flight time is almost 8 hours. And we are flying Boeing 757-200. This is my first time flying this aircraft on this route, and I keep you guys posted. So guys, while we were waiting to get a pushback from Malaga Airport, and EasyJet Airbus A321 just arrived, and we are about to get a pushback soon. Alright guys, we're starting to get a pushback. It was a wonderful stay here in Malaga, and I hope to see this place again soon, very soon inshallah. Right. Malaga, goodbye. While we were waiting for clearance from the tower to taxi to the runway, another EasyJet Airbus A320 arrived. EasyJet has a major operation here in Malaga. So was Ryanair. Here we go guys, we start taxiing towards the runway now. These are the beautiful mountains of Malaga. It's amazing that over here it's 80 degrees, and if you drive an hour and a half away up in the mountains, you can ski right now in the middle of the summer. TAP Portugal airline Embraer 175 just took off. Alright guys, we're right at the end of the runway, so this is where we are right now, and I think we're all clear to go, hopefully, and we'll be off the ground very soon. Okay, here we go. Goodbye Malaga. to us. That's macaroni and cheese and chicken and salad, some
Vegetarian mac and cheese and chicken.
bread and some sweets. Bon appetit. That's how it looks like. Guys, we're getting moderate turbulence over here right now during around lunchtime. Guys, we're about an hour and 10 minutes away from Newark. Right now we're close to Boston area.
Belts are securely fastened. Thank you. As I get
Right, guys, we're starting to descend to Newark International Airport, New Jersey, encountering light turbulence.
shade for landing. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival and be seated.
Right, guys, you can see the outskirts of New York. On the left hand side you'll see the Manhattan. Alright, guys, we're about to land in Newark. Alright, guys, we're about to land at Newark International Airport. Here we go. Everyone.
With that smooth landing, we'd like to be the very first to welcome you to the Newark Liberty International Airport and the United States of America. The local time here is 12:12. Today's date remains the 23rd of May. We will be taxiing for a few minutes, so please do remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. This will be your indication it is safe to get out. As Newark is our first port of entry into the U.S., all customers, regardless of final destination, will need to clear customs and immigration here. Refer you to the television monitors located throughout the terminal to confirm your gate. On behalf of all of us at United, our partners in the Star Alliance, but most especially your Newark-based in-flight crew, we'd like to thank you for
both engines, and then they're going to hook up a tow bar and tow us the rest of the way in to the gate. Should just be an extra couple minutes for them to do that. But during that whole process, we need everybody to still remain in your seat and with your seatbelt fastened, and just wait until the seatbelt sign comes back off again.